brake pad change. So I have worn out brake pads, so I'm going to change. And first we take out this pin with a screwdriver. Just unloose this from both ends and it snaps out. And then we don't have to take the upper at all out, but we have to take out this one. This is what we have to take out. So this is also just cover. And then use your hex key. This is 7mm, if I recall right. Yes, it will. And then just loosen this one away, and then you should be able to lift this part so that you can take the pads out. And now if you don't have any plate here, if it's stuck, if the brake disc is all stuck, then you can again use a screwdriver and pry it from somewhere to have some slack. Take it out a little more. Okay, remember that you don't want to have your handbrake on, and you can start prying your with a screwdriver, some kind of. Here it is opened, and you see that the upper one is still intact, and then you can push it away like that. Then change the pads and clear these areas here. As you can see, there's not too much left. You can now clean these areas so that the new brake pad will slide nicely. The other side was rusted pretty much, and I had to take a look at it. You really need to dig all the rust out so that your brake pads will move smoothly. Otherwise you get stuck brake pads, which is not good. Now you need a tool to screw this in so that you have more room. It should go all the way down. As you can see now, it has gone all the way up, and there is no room at all more. So I have a special tool for this, which I will use, but you can also try it without it. You can see the holes. You can put some kind of pliers in it and put pressure, and at the same time turn clockwise, so it should go in. it's a little more difficult, but it will work that way also. But you have to turn and push. That's the way to do it. Here is the tool. When you turn, it will push, and at the same time it will go around clockwise, so it's going to be down. It's a quite useful tool for some other jobs also, and fits various vehicles. This is the end result, and now you can fit your new brake pads in it. By the way, I'm using old brake pads which I found because these are from my Saab 9-3 year 2005, and it has just the same brakes as Opel Vectra C model. This is from 2007 Opel, and it has all the same brakes. Now I have already slided the upper one, and then just you can turn so that you can put your other in. That's about it. If you have a copper paste, you can use copper paste to avoid some squeaking noises, but I didn't have any, and it's Sunday, so I can't get it from the store either. And remember to put the spring back also after you have tightened the bolt, and remember the cap. And this is how much rust I got out from the